Welcome to Love Weather Canada, 8:44 Mountain Standard Time, 11:44 Eastern Time, November 18, 2023. Weather forecast, current weather conditions across Canada. Montreal, some flurries right now. Charlottetown, rain. In Atlantic Canada, heavy rains with some strong winds right now. Next week in Ontario, Quebec, snow, lake effect snow, and strong winds. Yeah, that is that time of year now. When I talk about those two air masses colliding, it's going to be crazy next week. So cold Arctic air, and here it is in Yellowknife, and it's going to move down into eastern Canada and touching the United States air as well. And you know what happens in November, right? Thunderstorms, lake effect snow, rain, hail, all that jazz. Vancouver, some rain showers tonight, 90% at 2 to 5 millimeters at 45 kilometer per hour gust at times. And Monday, 8 degrees, Tuesday, 9 degrees. Calgary, nice temperature still, 10 degrees, 3 degrees. And that cold Arctic air moving in all across Canada, spreading west to east. It's going to cause a lot of problems in Ontario and Quebec with lake effect snow. You know it. Northwest, gust up to 45 kilometers per hour. Edmonton, 0 and -4 on Thursday. Winnipeg, 7 degrees tomorrow, 8 degrees on Monday, and -2 on Tuesday, -3 and overcast on Wednesday. Medicine Hat, 13 degrees on Tuesday. Then temperatures will drop Thursday. Snow. Now we move on to southern Ontario, and this is where things get interesting. Okay, we got rain here in Toronto, with some winds, strong winds from the east at 35 kilometers per hour, gust up to 45 kilometers per hour at times. I don't know. This could be a 90 to 100 kilometer wind situation next week. We have to get all the weather models in order. But next week, we got cold Arctic air moving in the Great Lakes in Ontario and Quebec. And look on Monday, 0. That is at 2 p.m. So temperatures will be hovering around. And look at that cold Arctic air moving in. So this is the winds coming from the east and gusting up to 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. And the waters are so warm, that is good for lake effect snow. And some of those snow squalls can be very intense at times. So here's tomorrow again. This is Sunday. And here's Monday. Look at the cold air flooding in into southern Ontario and southern Quebec. Then the winds that are the story here. And they will keep getting stronger on Wednesday. Look at that. Coming from the States. Here we go. And you know, with those type of storms, you could see some thunder snow or some heavy snow squalls, whatever. But next week, good enough for snow squalls and visibility 0 times. Here's Ottawa for next week as well. Look at that 80% chance of precipitation, but rain showers and snow 90%. Look at that 90% in the evening. Lake effect snow. 10 to 20 millimeters of rain on top of it, so slippery roads are possible. We have to really keep an eye on these weather models, to put it all together to give you a good idea. Montreal as well, could see some lake effect snow showers as well, okay, so we could get some snow squall warnings and rain on top of it. Then the temperatures drop again, so black ice effect. Quebec City, same thing. Look on Wednesday morning in Quebec City though. Wow, 5 to 10 centimeters of snow, then turning into rain and snow mix in the afternoon. St. John's, Newfoundland, still getting some strong winds right now at this time. It is Sunday morning in St. John's right now, 12:51 a.m., November 19th. And let's look at the winds right now. 65 kilometers per hour at this time. Halifax, some rain snow mix and strong winds on Wednesday, 75 kilometers per hour. Charlottetown, PI, sunny tomorrow and Monday 2 degrees and Tuesday 2 degrees.